How one island's rats ate every bird into extinction. Picture an island where, in just 10 years, 5 entire bird species vanished forever. Not from hunting, from a single shipwreck stowaways. Lord Howe Island sits 600 kilometers off Australia. No predators, no snakes, no rats. For millions of years, its birds evolved with nothing to fear. Then, on June 15, 1918, the steamship SS Macambo ran aground on the island's rocks. Black rats poured from the hull into the dark. Rats found a paradise. Birds that nested on the ground with no instinct to flee. Eggs, chicks, adults devoured by the thousands. Within a decade, the Lord Howe Juragon, the robust white-eye, the Tasman starling, and 2 more species were gone. 5 extinctions in 10 years. The flightless Lord Howe woodhen nearly followed them. By the 1970s, fewer than 30 birds survived, clinging to 2 remote mountain peaks. But conservationists refused to surrender. They captured the last woodhens, bred them in captivity, and slowly released hundreds back into the wild. Here's what happened next. In 2019, crews dropped 42 tons of poisoned bait across the entire island, hunting every last rat down. The result? In 2023, Lord Howe Island was declared rat-free. Today, the woodhen thrives and birdsong fills forests silent for a century.